Join me as I challenge myself to lose weight fast by trying out these 13 delicious sandwich recipes. So, who says you can't enjoy tasty food while trying to lose weight? I know what you're thinking. Sandwiches in particular are often associated with unhealthy ingredients and high calorie counts. But what if I told you there's a way to make sandwiches that are not only delicious, but also help you reach your weight loss goals? One of the biggest misconceptions about sandwiches is that they're inherently unhealthy. We've all been there, grabbing a quick sandwich at the deli or making one at home with processed meats and cheeses, but the truth is, sandwiches can be a healthy option if you choose the right ingredients. The problem is, many of us are stuck in a rut, thinking that a healthy sandwich means sacrificing flavor and satisfaction. Think about it. Most sandwiches are made with refined carbs, processed meats, and a ton of cheese. It's no wonder we associate sandwiches with weight gain. But what if we flipped the script and started making sandwiches with whole grains, lean proteins, and plenty of veggies? Suddenly, the humble sandwich becomes a weight loss superstar. Of course, it's not just about the ingredients. Portion control is key too. But if you're careful about what you put in your sandwich, you can enjoy a satisfying meal that won't sabotage your diet. Okay, enough talk. Let's dive into the good stuff. I've got 13 yummy sandwich recipes that are not only delicious, but also designed to help you lose weight. Each sandwich comes with its own nutritional benefits, and I'll answer some common questions along the way to help you make the most of these recipes. Grilled chicken and avocado sandwich. Nutritional benefits. This sandwich is made with whole wheat bread, grilled chicken breast, avocado, and a sprinkle of spinach. The lean protein from the chicken keeps you full, while the healthy fats in avocado support heart health and aid in absorbing nutrients. Can I add a sauce without adding too many calories? Absolutely. Opt for a light drizzle of Greek yogurt mixed with lemon juice for a tangy and low-calorie sauce. Mediterranean veggie sandwich. Nutritional benefits. Hummus, feta cheese, cucumbers, tomatoes, and roasted bell peppers on multigrain bread. The hummus provides plant-based protein and fiber, while the veggies and cheese add vitamins, minerals, and healthy fats. What makes this sandwich so filling? The combination of protein, fiber, and healthy fats keeps you satisfied longer. Spicy tuna salad sandwich. Nutritional benefits. Made with canned tuna, low-fat mayo, diced jalapenos, and whole wheat bread. Tuna is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which promote brain and heart health, and the jalapenos add a metabolism-boosting kick. Can I substitute mayo? Yes. Use mashed avocado or plain Greek yogurt for a creamy, healthy alternative. Roasted eggplant parmesan sandwich. Roasted eggplant slices replace bread layered with marinara sauce, a sprinkle of low-fat mozzarella, and fresh basil. It's low-carb, gluten-free, and packed with antioxidants from the eggplant. Can this sandwich really replace bread? Definitely. The eggplant's hearty texture and flavor make it a satisfying alternative. Turkey and cranberry sandwich. Whole grain bread, lean turkey slices, and a light smear of cranberry sauce. Turkey is a great source of lean protein, and cranberry sauce provides antioxidants. Is cranberry sauce too sugary? Use a sugar-free or homemade version with minimal sweeteners. Caprese sandwich. Fresh mozzarella, tomato slices, basil leaves, and balsamic glaze on whole grain bread. This sandwich is rich in calcium, lycopene, and healthy fats. Can I make this sandwich vegan? Yes. Swap mozzarella with a dairy-free cheese alternative. Smoked salmon and cream cheese bagel. Nutritional benefits. A whole grain bagel topped with smoked salmon, light cream cheese, and arugula. Salmon is high in omega-3s, and arugula adds a peppery crunch with vitamins A and K. Are bagels bad for weight loss? Not if you choose whole grain varieties and watch your portions. Black bean and sweet potato sandwich. Nutritional benefits. Mashed black beans, roasted sweet potatoes, and avocado on multigrain bread. High in fiber and plant-based protein, this sandwich supports digestion and sustained energy. What's the secret to making it taste great? Season the sweet potatoes with paprika and cumin before roasting. Grilled veggie and pesto sandwich. Nutritional benefits: grilled zucchini, eggplant, and red onions layered with a smear of basil pesto, packed with antioxidants and healthy fats. Is pesto healthy? Yes, in moderation. Use a light hand to keep the calories in check. Alright, next up we have the avocado and egg sandwich. This one's a real treat. Using whole wheat bread, smashed avocado, and a hard-boiled egg, you get a combination that's not only delicious but also packed with nutritional benefits. It's rich in protein, healthy fats, and potassium. Now you might be wondering, can I make it spicy? Absolutely. Just add some red pepper flakes or a dash of hot sauce and you're good to go. Enjoy! Chicken Caesar wrap. Nutritional benefits: grilled chicken, romaine lettuce, and a light Caesar dressing in a whole wheat tortilla. High in protein and low in calories if you use a light dressing. How can I keep it low calorie? Use Greek yogurt as the base for your dressing. Peanut butter and banana sandwich. Nutritional benefits: whole grain bread with natural peanut butter and banana slices. A great source of healthy fats, potassium, and quick energy. Can I make this lower in calories? Use powdered peanut butter mixed with water as a substitute. Tandoori chickpea sandwich. Nutritional benefits: mashed chickpeas mixed with tandoori spices, yogurt, and spinach on whole grain bread. Chickpeas are high in fiber and protein, while tandoori spices add anti-inflammatory benefits. What if I don't have tandoori spices? Substitute with a mix of curry powder and smoked paprika. So there you have it, 13 delicious sandwich recipes designed to help you lose weight fast. Each one is not only healthy, but also incredibly satisfying, so you can enjoy your meal without feeling guilty. Remember, losing weight doesn't mean sacrificing flavor or variety. With the right ingredients and portion control, sandwiches can be a part of your weight loss journey. Which of these sandwiches are you excited to try? Let me know in the comments below. And if you want more healthy eating tips and recipe ideas, be sure to like, subscribe, and check out my other videos. See you in the next one.